the Colosseum before going on a cruise. So we are now here in the Colosseum, and the best way to do it is to be in this park, so you will have this perfect view. Smile!
Ang ganda! Bilog talaga!
Smile! Since we are not entering in the Colosseum, we'll just take the view.
Dali, dali! Ay, wait lang, Doy.
Oh, baji. Ang yan tiil ko kay tuwa na sa ubos na. Kanang gubaji na. Nasulog na iya kay daas siya katanda. Kahagbungan oy. Ate agwaji, ate masulog na iya ate. Na katapad na ko. Lagi. And more ruins. You can see everything from here. Allah, kauwan nun ate. You have to go. And now we're leaving Colosseum, and for the last look with Manang.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Murag ruins mo, no? May baon niyo mo ag mga romance dati ba? Ba't talagang naasa ka itong Naples? Lagi among gatuan mo. Now we're going to say bye to the place we stayed here in Rome. By the way, they have a balcony. Let's check what's the view. Ooh. Oh, there are like houses too. Wow. Ooh. This is Rome. Hello, neighbors. And they have in here, they're providing under the sink a fridge and a
Sewing machine.
sewing machine, a washing machine, just a washer because there's no dryer, it's just washer. They have this Nespresso. And we say bye.
Hindi, microwave pa.
Ah, of course they should have a microwave.
And an espresso.
Yeah, I got it. And 8 is ironing.
I'm ironing so that this will dry. You know, there's no dry.
Yeah, okay. Bye! Bye to our place. Asa Airbnb ne?
Yes.
Airbnb here in...
We're Airbnb but booking.com.
Yeah, it's an Airbnb but it's through booking.com. And they have this extra bed too.
I like booking.com. Okay, don't
They have this
go to Airbnb.
Bye!